I'm back with a new video. Today I'm gonna be transforming this unit that I got from UNice Hair. It's gonna be a hair review for UNice. I haven't done honestly enough like a hair review with them for a very long time. I'm gonna kind of like zoom out for you guys. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done a review with UNice for a minute now. I actually already put on the wig. I'm going to, I feel like what I need to do is use my hot comb, flatten the top of it for a bit. I'm gonna actually do curtain bangs with this look. So I'm gonna go in, maybe I'll cut this a bit more, like up to here or something. And I'm gonna curl it for you guys and show you how I do curtain bangs on camera. It's, to me, I feel like the curtain bangs is a very like 90s style. And I always think of Topanga from Boy Meets World because she definitely had some iconic curtain bangs from back then. And also, Ashley from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air had curtain bangs too for a minute, if I'm not mistaken. Streaks. I'm also wearing colored contacts, which has been literally a minute since I've been wearing them. So I'm honestly just wearing them for today because I want to take some photos afterwards. But yeah, we're gonna get into everything. I also bleached the knots to this unit, but I don't know if I did that great of a job. Hopefully I did. Let's get into styling this hair and then I'm gonna get into the specs. I wanna say this is a body wave wig and I already straightened it, so. Guys, so I just finished curling this hair. It takes really well to hair straightening and also just heat in general, by the way. So UNice really did a great job on that. I'm pretty sure this is a 22 inch. Okay, so the density of this wig is 150%. I'm pretty sure that this is a 22 or 24 inch unit and it's got the like piano highlight type of situation going on. So we have like streaks of highlights just going through the hair, which I think is really cool. The hair is so soft. It came soft and I like it personally straight versus body wave because for some reason, like when you have a body wave with highlights or blonde hair, it tends to look a little bit frizzier, even though it's not. I guess bleach damages hair in general, but what you can do is if you want to leave it in like a body wave form, what you could do is like maybe put like a hair mousse or something, or maybe like something to make the waves look more defined, I guess, if you want to. But personally, me, I like this hair straight. I love how the hair is just curled right now. I think it's like the perfect length for a curtain bang, and I just literally bring it to the front, curl it this way, and then I move it back, and that's literally what I do. The hair is really nice. It's actually fairly long. I would honestly even like to cut it like maybe even up to here, but I'm gonna leave it this length. I think it's really pretty. It's kind of reminds me of mermaid hair. I also went in and bleached the knots a little bit so it looks more natural on my skin tone. This is a 13 by 4 lace front unit. Price of this is gonna be $274.45 for a 22 inch or $312.17 for a 24 inch. So you're getting, I think it's a pretty good price for the amount of hair that you're getting and how soft it is. The lace is also transparent. I still had to put a little bit of foundation on the lace though. I'm not sure if y'all can really see where it ends, but it's not bad. Yeah, they also have this wig in a curly texture, but I wanted more of a body wave slash straight unit, so I went ahead and I got that. What I also did was I sewed an elastic band in the unit as well, so everything can just stay more secure, which I honestly usually prefer for my units to have elastic band. I don't know why. I just think everything kind of lays down better with that. And yeah, like this wig is just giving me very much like 90s vibes, especially just with the highlight. This is a ombre honey blonde highlight, so it's not like a 613. I'm pretty sure the highlights are probably more of like a 27. And I just like the way they moved it all the way throughout the hair. I also like how the hair looks against my skin tone, like with the brown and like the honey blonde. I think it just really brings everything out for me and it frames my face really, really well. Any more specs on this unit? For shedding, I'm gonna say 0. I've experienced 0 shedding, especially for it already being blonde. I haven't experienced any. There are combs on the top, on the sides, and also in the back. They also sent me lashes. Oh yeah, and also a little cute, like tropical looking headband. And they sent me a couple of wig caps, which I think is pretty cool. Oh yeah, this is what the hair looks like from behind as well. Cute. I'm gonna honestly go take some pictures now with this unit for Instagram, and hopefully you guys liked this wig review on my channel and also me doing curtain bangs, like the TikTok curtain bangs, I guess. And I hope that you liked it. So that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, be sure to go ahead and check out this wig from UNice down below. I'm gonna put the link to this unit, the direct link to it, and let me know what you think. Okay, bye.